Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video guys, this is not a new pair that I'll be analyzing. It is the CHFJPY pair that I recently just made a video about. And I was receiving questions since I've given a mega 1 is to 12 risk reward. So some people were hesitant to hold that trade until those levels, right? They felt that this is too big for them. They do not have the mindset to hold a trade for so long time since it will take time to reach that level. So they were asking what is a reasonable level that they can exit if they want to enter this trade. So this video is a short quick update for those guys. So you can see, right, the analysis is same. If I switch to the daily chart, this is the chart I shared the analysis on. So I've added nothing new as of now, but you can see one thing. You can see this trend line that I have connected, right? So this is a low, another low tap, another low tap, and then another low, but it could not break this trend line and it closed above this trend line. So if you are looking to get in and out quickly, what I'd recommend or what I do myself is, if I'm entering here and I'm placing the stop loss around these levels, then my target is this line somewhere, which is not bad, which is still 1 is to 1 by 4 is to 5 risk to reward ratio. So here you would simply exit when the price taps this level, since that would be a 1 2 3 4 fifth tap, and then maybe the price again surges and tests this level, or maybe it breaks this level down, it tests this level again and then goes up. So what I'm saying is, if the price say taps this level which is being tested multiple times, maybe it does this. And what would happen to most people is that if they've not held such trades at so long time periods, right, they're not comfortable doing so. When they see gains as the price drops, all of those gains would temporarily be erased, right? Since price might drop again from these levels and go break this low, but they're not mentally capable of holding it, uh, which is perfectly fine. It depends upon how you trade. And some people like to get in get out quickly, some like to positional trade for days, some like to just trade day in day out, right, hold a trade for some minutes. So that is a personal choice. So if you are a trader who likes to enter and exit quickly, then maybe you can enter here and exit at these levels, right? So this is my opinion. Obviously you can choose when to enter, when to exit, which trade to take, which trade to not take. So this is not a recommendation that I am saying that you must take this trade. It solely depends upon you. This is just my take for educational purposes as to what I like to do. So this is one possibility. The other possibility is that price could also do this, break this low, like it tried breaking here, close below this, test it, and then again move down. So anything is possible in this market, guys. But if you are looking to get in and out quickly, what I'd recommend or what I do, this is just my perspective from an educational purpose. I would like to exit at this trend line, which still gives me 1 is to 4.5, 1 is to 5 risk reward, depending when I get in. And I have a stop loss just around this level, 164.7, 164.8, and my profit is around 161. So those are huge pips. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one, and let's just see this pair play out.